Hi, this is a brief video describing how to use a free brainstorming tool available from Sketchboard. This software allows the user to create whiteboards for planning out ideas and processes. It gives users the ability to map processes independently or collaboratively with team members. The options are endless as you can share your maps or work projects live by allowing access to multiple users. You can get started by clicking up the sign up link and adding your email address. Once you sign in, the menu appears with icons allowing you access to multiple options. For instance, you can immediately create a new board, or you can choose from a selection of templates provided by the software. And I'll scroll through these templates for you to see. We will start off by selecting a new board. The first option that appears is to give your board a name. We will title this as Example 1. You have the option to save this immediately under whatever visibility that you would like to select. Here you can select as personal, so it's only visible to you, or team, where you can save it and also add other team members to view it and work on it together, or publicly, where you can share this information with anyone. We're going to save it as team so I can show you how to add team members. This icon here just shows you the board's name and also which team it's under. I titled this team as Example Team, and when you first log in, it'll ask you to title your team. This gives you the email address information of the actual team member that created the board. This allows you to create a new board easily if you just want a quick icon to make a new board. I will back click to go to our example board. This gives you the opportunity to rename the board, and we can change and save it again as a team access. This icon allows you to add a team member to the board, so you can share access to this process. If you scroll down, you notice that you can see your team members' information there that you've added or invited to the board. This icon allows you to know who the owner of the board is. This icon in the middle allows you can click and you can add notes about your board. So therefore, users will be able to see these notes alive as you're actually working on the board. Here you can search information in your board. Now to the important stuff, how to use the board. On the right side, this is a library of icons for you to customize your mapping process or brainstorming idea. You have a huge selection of icons that'll help you create a map of whatever process or project you're working on. You have the ability to click on an icon and drag it over. You also have the opportunity to title the icon and customize everything in it. A menu pops up once you double click on the icon. I will click outside of the icon, click into the icon, and a menu pops up. This icon allows you to duplicate it, or you have the opportunity to just copy with Control-C and paste Control-V. I'm going to edit this icon by making it bigger by dragging the little marker on the bottom right. Then I'll take these and I'll copy and paste them all around to create a map. You can edit the format of how you want to brainstorm and move them whatever position you'd like. You also have the option to change the color of the background, border, or text in your icons. We can change the background to a darker color, keep the font white, and then the border we can also make white or red. You can edit the sizes of these also by doing this. Clicking on the same option on the bottom right, you have the option to actually change the shape of your icon to anything you'd like. Clicking out of it will give you the shape. You can edit the size of the shape also. And it still has the same customization that I have added to it previously when it was the same shape as these other icons. You have the option of connecting these icons to each other or to the main topic. Let's say you have another team member working on this also. You have the ability to use your mouse to scroll in and out, and you can watch other projects being worked on at the same time. This feature is really nice for visibility of all team members and how their thought process is on working on projects. This is just me scrolling in and out and then changing what I want to look at. I can focus back on what I was working on. On the bottom, you have menu board that gives you a menu window that gives you the same options that you had on the top here. Change your team members, title of your project. You have the option of going back to your previous boards that you've worked on. Or to create a new board. You can add teammates from here. You can also download your board using various options, JPEGs, PNGs, PDF files. You can also export to Google Drive or other options. Icon on the bottom here also allows you to share your project. You can share it to your Google Drive. You can send a snapshot to Slack. You can share this with another user or another person with a password. I think that's available with the upgraded plan. You can copy a link to this actual file and share with others. If you make it, I think you can also do this publicly, or you can unshare with a team. Another neat feature is to leave comments. This comment section allows you to leave comments when you're not working together in real time so that people can see or be alerted to updated information. Another cool tool is to use this map view, where you can double tap the board to zoom in. And if you double tap again, it gives you a quick window with various icons that are popularly used in this program. You also have the option to freehand draw a shape if you like. If you hit the shift button at the same time as you draw, it will allow you to draw straight lines. And create your own icons. You also have the option to change or edit the thickness of your lines when you freehand draw an icon. Another great option that I didn't notice when I first used this was on the bottom right here, a board with ephemeral chat. This allows you to just chat with members while you're working on a project, and it doesn't save, it's just a live chat. Overall, I think this software is very user-friendly and versatile in its ability to provide the user many options in brainstorming ideas or processes. It gives an ease of use and ability to operate with other users at the same time, and that's what makes it very practical. The free version allows you to create 3 boards that you can export and share with team members. Sketchboard provides users with a great option to promote a teamwork environment.